In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from your Nordvpn account in 2025. Whether you're switching devices, managing your account security, or simply need to free up a slot, the process is straightforward. Follow along as I guide you through each step to ensure your device is removed successfully and seamlessly. Let's begin by accessing your Nord account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Nord account dashboard. This is the hub where you manage all aspects of your Nordvpn services. Once you are on the login page, enter your credentials and sign in to access your account. It's important to ensure that you're logging into the correct account, as some users may manage multiple accounts. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of your dashboard. Here you'll see various options related to Nordvpn services. Click on the Nordvpn link. This section contains everything you need for managing your VPN service, including additional features and settings. Within the Nordvpn section, look for the area labeled Additional Features and Services. Under this category, you'll find something called MeshNet. MeshNet is a powerful feature that allows you to connect multiple devices securely. Click the link that says See Your Devices. By clicking here, you'll get a clear overview of all devices currently connected to your account through MeshNet. As you scroll through the list of devices, identify the one you wish to remove. Make sure you choose correctly, as removing the wrong device can lead to unnecessary reconnections and setup. Once you've found the specific device, you'll see the option to Manage Device next to it. Click on this button to proceed with the removal. After clicking Manage Device, you will be presented with various management options for the selected device. Among these options, look for Remove from MeshNet. Clicking on this will initiate the removal process for your device from the Nordvpn MeshNet. Lastly, you'll be prompted to confirm the removal. This is an important step, ensuring that you truly intend to remove the device from your account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to finalize the process. Once you confirm, your device will no longer be part of your MeshNet, freeing up space for other devices and bolstering your account security. And there you have it, the simple process for removing a device from your Nordvpn account. By following these steps, you maintain control over your connected devices and ensure that only the devices you trust have access to your network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates on managing your tech securely.